Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. So in today's video, it's a vlog. It's the second day of my vlogtober. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this, guys, because it's a struggle. Like, I even struggle to just do 1 or 2 videos in a week. So daily vlog, oh my god, my life is not interesting anyway, but we'll see, man. I'll just vlog my life, whatever, if you like it, you'll come and watch. If you don't, no stress. I'm just trying to grow my channel, so this is a challenge to myself. Let's see if I will keep up until 31st of October. It will be my father's birthday. May his soul rest in peace, continue to rest in peace. Anyway, guys, so woke up early in the morning, made dessert, then actually was supposed to go the previous day to buy meat, but then I was lazy. So this is one of those days where you just undecided on what to cook. So yeah, hence I just decided to go buy meat just when I was about to cook it same time. Usually I have red meat in advance, but recently I didn't have at all in my fridge, and that's what I wanted to cook. Yeah, so went to buy that, pick up some sweet. Actually was looking for something for my daughter, like anything sweet, because she likes sweets. But then I'm always confused what exactly she likes. The father knows better what she likes.
See? Plastic for you start plastic. Okay, plastic. Plastic I can
How many plastics?
Anayo one.
Maritambili.
Oh, you can leave one if it's fun, eh? You can leave it. The plastic may again.
Singafaki ebhokisini. Anhalema.
It's okay.
Azama ibhox ne? No, it's not fun.
Oh, okay.
Zama ibhox isithandwa sami sopaka le nyama la ebhokisini.
Auntie Halima understands what
Uyasizwa.
Uyasizwa.
Uyasizwa. Suke niqhaphaza bayithi understand.
Serious?
Yeah, nathi
sizamhleba nje
nakithi
bathi uyasizwa.
uzwa kahle. Yes. Yes. I know Zulu. Uyezwa noma ukhuluma ngayo yazi uzokubuza uthini ngegama lami.
Hayi wena.
Yeah, uzwile. Ethi mayiphethe ukwedelela etheni isizulu akasi-understand. Suke ekudelela-ke lami. Speak English. I don't understand Zulu. Usekudelela-ke lami. Yeah.
I hate you as a
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. Can I please have carrots? Small one. They're the same size?
Yeah.
How much?
5 10 what do you want?
See?
5 10 what do you want?
I want this one.
10
10 rand, okay.
Where did you get this bag? It's very nice. People want it.
Which one? This one? For Shini.
Pushing.
For Shini.
How much?
Maybe 100 rand. I don't remember now. It's been a long time. Maybe 100 rand.
All bag.
Jazakallah. Jazakallah.
Guys, vlogging in public, it's not easy, especially when it comes to safety, because now it's end of the month. I'm worried about the bag because I'm not really fully paying attention to my surrounding because I'm trying to vlog. I'm worried about if someone just comes and grab my phone and run. Oh my god. Yeah, but guys, you know what, I tried. There's like a lot that I took it out because my phone was like shaky. Yeah, it was just not a good thing for me to upload that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going back home and I'm going to cook. Here I was just recording for my Instagram, so if you want a full recipe, please go on Ayo's Cooking. I would upload a video there. This is me and my daughter attempting to make fire. I've never made fire for Bri. Always my husband does that. So I was like, okay, let me try to make it myself today. Finally, we did it, but it was a struggle. Really, it was a struggle. Hey, Nyashisa, guys, look, like I am burning this meat. I'm literally burning this meat. And the multitasker that way. Oh my god. Yo, guys. Guys, no joke, I have never fried before like this. Like I always grill the meat in the oven. That's always been my husband's job, you know. But anyway, at the end the meat tasted good, although some pieces were burnt. So this is the outcome, guys. This was really delicious. Do go on Io's Cooking, check out the recipe and give it a try.
Oh, in the shop? Oh, in the shop.
Disha. Can move this because you're not.
The tire.
Who?
The
Kasam Park people?
New Kasam Park people. The Kasam Park one, they don't come.
Okay guys, just coming in to just say thank you so much for watching. So I'm quickly going to a tailor, a sewing lady. Actually her mother used to sew my clothes before, way back when I didn't know how to sew. Now she's sewing sometimes for me. Like I just went to her, I think I haven't been by her house for like maybe 4 years. Yeah, so like I was so lazy, guys. I'm so lazy to take my sewing machine and actually do it myself, because everything that she did I could have done it myself, but I was like, you know what, if I don't have time and I don't feel like it and I'm able to pay, then why not?
Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thanking you. I'm fine. Oh. Okay, I put the
For the lightning, you put the lightning. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Oh, you did make it short down, eh?
Ja, dan
Okay.
ek het vir jou sakke ingesit.
Made pockets. That's good. Yeah.
Dan nou gemaak.
Okay. Perfect.
Hierdie ook sakke ingesit.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, she did a great job, guys, and she has improved a lot. Her mother used to be the best, so seriously. I had few fights with her, but I'm telling you, still today I have her clothes. Everything is perfect. Like she was the best. May her soul rest in peace. She was really the best. Yeah, and yeah, she's getting there. Like I think she's perfect now, because when I went 4 years ago, I was not really fully pleased, and I do have some of the people who used to sew by me still have a bit of complaints, but I think she's the best. She's neat. I think when it comes to sewing, the neatness is number one for me. Sometimes, when it comes to design, you can't always have the same mind with the tailor, so that also comes in place. So here I went to buy some plants that I won't be showing in this video. Now I have noticed that, not that I have noticed, I've always known that, but I'm practicing it now, that I do not show things before now. Like for example, what I went to buy, I cannot show it here up until I have seen the progress, I have seen it blossoming, then I'll show you guys. Because guys, if you guys, I don't know about you guys, like we do pray. I'm a believer in prayer a lot, and I believe that God does protect me. But there are people who have very bad eye, that when they see your thing before, then your thing doesn't blossom because of that bad eye. So hence, I'm not going to show everything. Anyway, guys, this is where my video is about to end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next vlog.
Earlier this year, I lost TK, which really, that's what sent me straight to meds, basically, because I wasn't coping. So I understand what Wanda is feeling, and I'm very sympathetic with her. Mental health is a problem in the music industry. We don't have that safe space to be able to vent and speak about the things that we fear and we are struggling with. Because the minute you speak about your problems to whoever that you are venting to, it's going to be a treat.
What do you made, my baby?
Peanut butter.
Oh my god. Okay, thank you. But the gingerbread man sang, "Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Get wet. Side of the river, all that was left of the gingerbread man with few tasty crumbs.